for apple, shiny and red. A is for ants that march ahead. B is for ball, bouncing bright. B is for bird and happy flight. C is for cat, soft and cute. C is for cake, sweet to taste. D is for dog, wagging tail. D is for drum, we love to play. E is for elephant, big and gray. E is for egg, we eat each day. F is for fish that swim so free. F is for frog by the green tree. G is for goat with funny sound. G is for grass all around. H is for hat we love to wear. H is for hen with gentle care.
I is for ice cream, cold and sweet. I is for insects at our feet. J is for jug with water blue. J is for jam, so yummy too.
K is for hay, flying high. K is for kids, jumping by.
L is for lion, brave and strong.
L is for lamp, glowing long. M is for monkey, funny face. M is for moon in outer space. N is for nest in the tree. N is for night, we sleep with glee.
O is for orange, round and bright. O is for all awake at night. P is for parrot, green and gay. P is for play, we do all day.
Q is for queen, wearing crown. Q is for quiet, soft and sound.
R is for rabbit, jump and run.
R is for rainbow colors, fun. S is for sun up in the sky. S is for star, shining high. T is for tiger, big and bold. T is for toy we love to hold. U is for umbrella in the rain. U is for uncle's smiling face. V is for van that moves so fast. V is for violin, sounds so sweet. W is for whale in the sea. W is for wind that blows free.
S is for sonophone, music play. X is for x-ray, we see today. Y is for yo-yo, up and down. Y is for yellow, happy sound.
Z is for zebra, black and white. Z is for zoo, what a sight.